Hey, what's up everybody? Dylan Hale here with Hale Family Real Estate, right out in front of the model here at McKenzie Ridge. Baker Residential builds these homes. They build a great product. I just sold one to a friend of mine, and he's gonna come out here today and make some selections. So I figured I'd just give you a little tour and show you what they got to offer over here at McKenzie Ridge. Here's one of the Baker Residential trademarks, these gorgeous double doors that they do in all of their homes. There's Cheryl. She's one of the on-site agents here. I've worked with a couple of them, and they're terrific. You see a lot of fine details here in the dining room. And let's see, I'm gonna walk through the butler's pantry on this model. And this is one of the things that I'm noticing a lot of lately is quartz rather than granite in the kitchens. It provides a nice, more uniform type finish. And I mean, heck, you know, gosh, what a kitchen that you're looking at here. I mean, double ovens, beautiful home. And I mean, most all the models are gonna be nice wherever you go. But I'll tell you, they do build a heck of a product here. One of the things that I like is that they, Baker does sealed crawl spaces, and they also pre-pipe radon. For any of y'all out there that have ever heard of radon, here's the downstairs guest suite. Mudroom as you walk into, you know, what would be the garage. Wasn't the model. But if you ever heard of radon, it's something that, you know, that generally you discover on a home inspection. And you don't like it, and you want to get it out of the house. It's not real good for you to breathe, although it's in the air everywhere, all around us. Well, Baker, not that they don't have radon, but they pre-pipe it and run it the remediation system through the walls. So should it ever become an issue, you're ready to go. All you need is the fans set up rather than a $2,000 or $3,000. I'm gonna take a look at the master here. I mean, and good grief, you talk about closet space. It's enormous in here. Beautiful master suite. And I love these countertops, man. They're just, we looked through this one when my clients bought in here, and they're pretty fancy. So yeah, it just gives you an idea what they do over here at McKenzie Ridge with Baker Residential. As you can tell, I'm pretty enamored with this product, and you know, if you want to know about pricing, anywhere from the mid fours up to like, you know, 575, 600 top end, you know, here in McKenzie Ridge. And they've got some really good incentives right now as well. I think they're offering as much as a $10,000 or $15,000 credit in the design center. So anyway, if you want to look at this house or any house in McKenzie Ridge or any other house, I'm your guy. Dylan Hale with Hale Family Real Estate. I'm out.